Cadet Ultima ZT2 zero-turn lawnmower. Let's check this out. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to show you the new purchase that we made here. It's the new Ultima ZT2 60-inch lawnmower zero-turn. Very pleased with this purchase. I've had the mower for several weeks now. I've used it several times. And I thought I'd just make a quick overview of this tractor. Really pleased with it. I love the look. Either you love it or hate it, but I love the tubular design of this machine. It looks really mean and it has some awesome features on it. And I want to go over a couple things. Now this is a 2020 model. It was actually manufactured in February of 2020. And I did notice one or two upgrades from the 2019 machines. I'll get right to what matters. Going with a Kawasaki 24 horsepower engine was a key decision to buying this particular motor. With the ZT2 60 inch, this is automatic, so I really want a Kawasaki. This engine is absolutely amazing. It offers all sorts of power. I have no issues with it. I really didn't want a Kohler engine or anything less than 24 horsepower. I'm so happy I got this model. Just take a listen to how this starts up. It just absolutely purrs. It sounds like a motorcycle. I love this engine. In a nutshell, going with a ZT2 model over a ZT1 provides a few automatic upgrades. First of all, you get the upgraded transmission, which is serviceable. It's the Hydro Gear 2800s versus the 2200s on the ZT1. Now the 2800s are the middle-of-the-road transmissions by Hydro Gear. They go all the way up to 3400s. With this transmission, I just wanted to make sure I could service it, have longer life of the tractor, and it was just an upgrade feature that I really wanted to have. With the ZT2 model, you get a fabricated deck which is welded, and that's much better and more sturdier than a stamped deck which is available the ZT1 models only. Now where this lawnmower really shines is in the Aeroforce deck. Grass clippings just fly out of this deck. We'll take a closer look at the deck performance later on in this video, as well as what the lawn looks like when we're done mowing. I know there were some issues with extensive deck vibrations in the first year of this machine. Luckily, I haven't noticed any of those issues with the 60-inch model. Using a foot pedal, you can raise the deck as well as adjust the height of the blades by a rotary knob on the left side of the machine. I really like how you can access the deck to clean it and service it without having to remove it from the tractor. It's done by a tool that is provided by Cadet, which resides on the side of the tractor. It's really easy to remove the center panel and again, easily access the deck from above. I absolutely love the tires on the ZT2 model. They're a little bigger than the ZT1. These are 20-inch Carlisle turf type. With a 60-inch deck, having large, low-profile tires is essential to performance. I haven't once yet torn up any part of the lawn using this machine, and I think the tires are really key here. Quite a few components fit very nicely underneath the seat, the gas tank, the battery, electronic components, and so forth. One nice little upgrade in the 2020 model is a steel cord that prevents the seat from going too far forward. Cadet has replaced the normal springs on his seat with these poly-type plastic fittings. For the most part, they're working well and they provide a very comfortable ride. A couple other minor details with the machine on the ZT2 model is the seat comes with armrests and also is adjustable on the fly. And the machine also comes with a hitch, although you don't see one here. I did get one from the dealer about a week later. One item that is surely lacking on this machine is a gas gauge. I'm not sure why Cadet never put one in. There certainly is room on the instrument panel to the right of the machine. If Cadet is listening, please add a gas gauge to this machine. It would really complete this model. Let's talk about a couple important facts while we're watching some footage. This lawnmower was on sale from Cadet. It was $200 off. The total price was $39.99. And if you buy from an authorized Cadet dealer, you can get up to 0% interest for 4 years. There was also free delivery at the time of purchase. The mower also has a 3-year unlimited hour warranty, plus a lifetime warranty on the frame. There's obviously some benefits to moving to a zero-turn lawnmower. One of them is the time it takes to mow. I'm finding it takes half the time to mow the property. Trimming is certainly a lot easier on zero-turn. I'm able to get a lot closer to objects. Using this zero-turn for the first time has definitely left a really good impression. However, I do have 2 concerns with the lawnmower. From time to time, it would seem I would not get the perfect cut. Once in a while, I'd see a few stragglers here and there, which would require a second pass. I'm not quite sure of the issue here, if it's me as the operator or if the blades need to be sharpened. If you're a Cadet Ultima owner, please leave a comment below if you're seeing the same issue I'm seeing every once in a while on the cut. I do want to emphasize that it's usually a good cut on the first pass. The second issue has to do with the pedal that lifts the deck. The pedal is positioned far right on the mower. If you are going full speed with the bars fully down and you have to suddenly deploy the deck to raise it, you're going to end up gashing your leg on these 2 bolts that are sticking out from the lap bars. I've gone ahead and covered up the 2 offending bolts with a piece of Gorilla Tape to help shield my leg. I got a pretty good cut in my leg on the first mow, so if Cadet is listening, please go ahead and fix this particular issue. Alright guys, so aside from a couple issues, I think this lawnmower is a fantastic value. I'm certainly getting $4,000 plus worth of hardware, and I love cutting a lawn now, especially in half the time. This lawnmower was a good buy. It was on sale, you get free financing, and there's a great warranty, 3 years, unlimited hours. I would definitely recommend this lawnmower to anyone who's interested in buying one of the Ultima series, where it's a 1, 2, 3, or if it's the higher end ZTX 4, 5, 6 models. Alright guys, going to finish up the video. Before we do that, I want to take a look at the lawn. This is the following day, and you can look at how this Aeroforce deck works. It really spreads out the grass spray from the lawnmower. I don't think I'd ever need a bagger here because of how much force is put through on the lawnmower to really spray out all the clippings. This section of the lawn right here is always the highest, and I usually have clumps of grass, but not with this Aeroforce deck. It's done a really good job of spreading out the grass clippings. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.